Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to change the chat color in Character AI. This awesome feature is available in the mobile app Chat AI Plus Lab, and I will show you step by step how to customize your chat experience. Now let's get started. First, make sure that you have the latest version of Character AI mobile app. If you haven't updated it yet, pause this video, go to the App Store or to the Google Play and update the app. Done updating, and if you have done updating, type update it in the comments. Once the app is updated, open the Character AI. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. This will open the chat. You can see your profile icon in top right corner. Tap on it. On the profile section, below the profile, you can see your characters, liked and voices. Swipe the options, and over here you can see C.AI Plus Labs. Tap on it, and this is where they test new and experimental features. Tap on it to explore the customization options. However, I haven't subscribed or upgraded to C.AI Plus, but I will guide you through the process. Now scroll down. Under it, in a dim light, you can see an option for chat animation speed, chat color, and so on. Now select your favorite colors and apply the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to change the chat color in Character AI. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.